it's getting recording, right? Today topic is .NET demo. Today topic is .NET demo. Yes. Yeah. Let me introduce myself. This is RN Reddy. I have around 7 years experience in IT industry. I was working for a company called RealSoft and Bangalore and Wipro Hyderabad. When I was working for Wipro, I started teaching in Hyderabad. Since 6 years, 7 years, 6 plus 7 years, I was into trainings. I trained around 10,000 people till the time I conducted around 100 batches. Okay, so this is and I am a Microsoft certified solution developer. It is about my professional introduction. Teaching is passion for me. Due to that reason, I was into teaching profession. And main thing is one important point is here in my training, student doesn't require any programming background, any technical background, any engineering background, anybody like BA, BCom people also can become a programmer. At present in this batch also Sravanti and Uma both are from non-IT background, and in previous batches also we have like that. And one more guy is going to join tomorrow, Shravan. He is also BJC background. So here it is, what background you have is not a matter, whether you are masters in computers or your masters or bachelors in commerce is not a matter. You are my student. I'm sure that with this training you will become a good programmer. Because of my programming knowledge, I'm sure you will settle in IT industry. But one thing is you should be regular for the classes. That is very, very important. Let's start our .NET introduction class, that is .NET demo. Right. So first of all, why we are learning .NET? Why we have to learn .NET? Why .NET? Why we have to learn .NET? Right. Yes. Right. Why you want to learn .NET? Urmil.
Develop applications
Right.
to get a job.
You're going to learn .NET to get a job in software industry. Get a job in software industry. Right. So my question is, what you are going to do in software industry by using .NET. By using .NET, you are learning .NET to get a job in software industry. My question is, in that software industry, in your job, what you are going to do with .NET? Come on, Urmil.
I'm going to develop applications that are going to be useful.
You are going to develop applications. Which applications? Software applications. So finally, that is, you are learning .NET to get a job in software industry. In that software industry, you are going to develop software applications. Then the next ultimate target is developing software applications. Because of that, we are learning .NET. Then what is software application? What is a software application? Now we have to understand what is a software application, right? What is software application? Right. Seventy, come on, tell me, what is software application? Seventy, right. So what is software application? Uma, have you gone through that introduction class?
Yeah.
Can you try what is software application? Because ultimate aim is to learn .NET. Ultimate goal is to develop software applications. Then we'll start our discussion from here. What is a software application? Right. Let me explain. Vinil, can you try?
Which deals with the coding.
Right. Okay.
Mainly,
Pandu,
right
can you
now we are
try?
using some.
Pandu, can you try? Sravanti. Right. Let me explain. Software application is a Sravanti. Can you speak now? Are you in full?
Yeah.
Any
Yes, sir.
disturbance is there from your side?
No, sir.
Then you can answer for this question now. You attended demo and you have listened that audio video also, right? What is software application? Right. Let me explain. Can you?
It's a collection.
Right. Let me explain. Software application is a collection of software programs. Software application is a software application is a software is a collection of software programs which are developed by using some software platform to fulfill the end user requirement. To fulfill the end user requirement. So finally you can say software application is a collection of software programs which are developed by using some software platform to fulfill the end user requirement is nothing but a software application. Right. Now, Urmil, can you repeat what is the definition?
Software application is a collection of software programs which are developed using some software platform to fulfill the end user requirement.
To fulfill the end user requirement. Now repeat.
Software application is a collection of software programs which are developed using some software platform to fulfill the end user requirement.
Very good. Yes. Now example for software applications which we are using every day in our day-to-day life. Now Urmil, can you give me some examples of software applications which we are using every day in our life?
Yeah.
MS.
Yes.
MS Office.
Right.
Gmail.
Yeah, you can
Email.
say MS Office, okay, and Gmail, Facebook. These are all software applications only. Right. But in this definition, first let's try to understand what is a software program, because first collection of software programs we said. Then what is software program? We have to understand what is software program. What is software program? So software program is a collection of logical instructions. Software program is a collection of logical instructions to the computer. Logical collection of logical instructions to the computer. So example for logical instructions. Right. So okay, take a programming language called C. Any logical instructions you remembered from C, you can say to print something, we will write a statement called printf. Okay, to accept some data, we write a statement called scanf in C language. Collection of printfs, collection of scanfs is nothing but a logical instruction. So collection of logical instructions is nothing but a software program. Okay. Now coming to here, software application is a collection of software programs, and we said which are developed by using some software platform. Example for software platform. Software platforms. Any idea software platform? Software platform. You can say
Java.
.NET,
Net.
Java.
Java.
These are all software platforms.
PC.
So okay, .NET, Java. These are all software platforms. Software application is a collection of software programs which are developed by using some software platform to fulfill the end user requirement. Then we have to understand end user. About end user we have to understand. Yes. Example for end user. Any idea
Yeah, Gmail users.
Yes, we are all using Gmail. So we are all using MS Office. So you can say all, we are all end users, all MS Office users, all Gmail users. So we can say end users. These are all end users. Okay. So that is the story about this one. Okay. Right. Now let's recall what we discussed till the time. Why we have to learn .NET to get a job in software industry. What we are going to do in software industry to develop software application. Then what is a software application? Software application is a collection of software programs which are developed by using some software platform to fulfill the end user requirement. Example for software application: MS Office and Gmail. What is software program? Software program is a collection of logical instructions to the computer. Example for logical instructions, here we have taken example from C language. In C language, whenever you want to print something, we'll use an instruction called printf. Printf is giving instructions to the computer. Babu computer, print something. Scanf is a instruction, is a telling to the computer, read something. Collection of printfs and scanfs can say that logical instructions. Example for software platforms: .NET and Java. Example for end user: all MS Office users, all Gmail users. Okay, right. Next, come back. We have to understand one more important point. Example for software application, you said MS Office and Gmail. Both are software applications only. But is there any difference here? Is there any difference between MS Office
Yes.
and Gmail? Right. Vinil, tell me what is the difference between MS Office and Gmail?
Gmail can be used by at the same time I can use many number of people. The MS Office is a single user.
Right.
Presently will
MS
be why?
Office is
Because
a single
uh,
user and Gmail is a multi-user. That is called what you know. It is called Windows application and it
Windows
is
application.
called web application.
Web application.
With this, we understood that software applications are not into one category, which are various types. Like human beings are classified into two types: one category male, another category female. Similarly, software applications are various types. Let's say types of software applications. Types of software applications. Types of software applications. Next, let's say software applications are classified into various types based on its behavior. Based on its behavior. Based on its behavior. Behavior. Right. Some of they are. You can say there are various types. Number one, Windows applications. Number one, Windows applications. Number two, web applications. Number three, web services. Number three, web services, web service. Number four, number two, web application, web service. Number four,
Okay.
mobile application, mobile application. Number five, Windows service, Windows service, and so on and so on. These are all types of software applications. In software applications are classified into various types based on application behavior. Ma, what is the first category?
Windows application.
Windows application,
Second category?
web application,
Third category?
web, web,
Web
web
service.
service,
Fourth category?
mobile application,
Fifth category?
Windows service.
And so on. Like that we have.
Mhm.
Right now we don't require to discuss about all these things. Just have an idea about only first two category which are important. The two, which two categories just I'm touching now, just giving a small introduction. Coming to the Windows application, very simple, single user applications. These are single user applications. Single user application means At a time it can be consumed by only one user. Example for this is MS Office. Our MS Office is nothing but a Windows application, because at a time it can be consumed by only one user. So MS Office is installed in your machine, which can be consumed by only one user. Number two is web application. Second category also we better to understand bit small information about web application is called only one important point I'm telling you, multi-user applications. Multi-user application means at a time web application called Gmail can be consumed at a time more than one user. Even though it is not installed in your machine, it can be consumed by multi-users. And the example for this is Gmail, your Facebook, all websites are web applications. It's a small warm-up for you people to enter into .NET. To learn .NET or Java or any software platform, a student should have minimum this basic knowledge called what is software application, what is software program, what is software platform, what do you mean by end user, and the types of software applications. Right. Now let's enter into .NET. Okay. Now introduction to .NET. Introduction to .NET. Till the time we didn't talk about anything about .NET. Now we are entering into .NET. Yes. Now first question, what is .NET? What is .NET? Just now we are identified what is .NET. What you are identified in our previous example somewhere about .NET. We have given one example for a software platform .NET. And with this what we can say what is .NET? What is .NET? .NET is a software platform. So you're not responding to chat I observed. Okay, maybe today it is new for you, so maybe unable to. But you can do simultaneously two things. You can listen and you can respond to chat also. It will be good for you if you are able. .NET is a software platform. .NET is a software platform. .NET is a software platform which was introduced by Microsoft in the year 2002. So in the year 2002, Microsoft was introduced a new software platform called .NET, which was introduced by Microsoft. About Microsoft, we have to understand few points. About Microsoft, we have to understand few points. Any idea about Microsoft? Microsoft is one of the leading organization in IT industry, which was established by Bill Gates, in USA, which was established by Bill Gates in USA. So who established this company? Bill Gates was established this company in USA, and this world famous company was introduced to the .NET platform in the year 2002. And the next point is, but one important point which is related to India, Microsoft and related to India. Any news related to India to Microsoft, recent last 1.5 year back news, any news you know about that? Which is related to India and especially which is related to Telugu states, Hyderabad. Yes, present Microsoft CEO is Satya Nadella. Satya Nadella from India. He is from Andhra Pradesh, I think, right? And he was the third CEO of Microsoft. A Telugu person is CEO of Microsoft. Indian is a CEO of Microsoft, and he is the third CEO. First CEO is Bill Gates. Second one is also US person. Third CEO is Satya Nadella. That company was introduced to .NET in the year 2002. Next question is what we can do by using .NET. What we can do by using .NET. What we can do by using .NET. That is the next question. Using .NET, we can develop various types of
Types of application.
software applications. Various types of software applications. Using .NET, we can develop various types of software applications, like you can develop Windows applications. Windows applications. Just now I had given a small introduction about Windows application. Pandu, tell me what is Windows application? Just
Windows application is single.
Seventy, come on. What is Windows application?
Windows application is a single user.
Single user application. Number two, you can develop a web application. About web application also I had given small introduction. What is that? Seventy. It is a
Application is a multi-user application.
multi-user application. Next, web service. Web service. Number four, mobile application. Mobile application. Next, number five, web service. Web service.
Windows.
Web
No,
service.
no, Windows service.
And the sixth one is Windows service, Windows service, and so on and so on. With this we can say, using .NET we can develop various types of software application, like Windows application, web application, web service, mobile application, and Windows service. I think it was repeated. Okay, right, and so on. Then you will get a doubt, sir, you didn't explain about web service, mobile application, and Windows service. These are also types of software applications, and this is not the right time to explain about them. If I will explain also, it will make you confused. That's the reason I'm not touching. In future, you will understand slowly. By this, we can say .NET is all-rounder. Using this, we can develop any type of software application. Tomorrow a client will come to us, I want Windows application. .NET developer will say, yes, possible. Another client will ask you, I want web application. Yes, possible. Another client will ask, I want web service. Yes, possible. Like that we can say it is a platform, all-rounder platform. Using this, you can develop any type of software application. Finally, we understood using .NET, you can develop any type of software application. Next question is, how .NET is supporting to develop various types of software applications. How .NET is supporting to develop various types of applications. How it is possible. For example, you take a refrigerator. Uma, tell me, refrigerator will provide how many services for us in general? It is a refrigerator. Refrigerator will provide how many services for us? Simple question.
2 services.
2 services. What are they?
Yeah.
One is?
Freezer and fridge.
Very good. One is cooling, normal cooling, and second one is freezing. Am I right? So how
Yes.
refrigerator is providing 2 services? Because refrigerator is integrated with 2 technologies. One technology is cooling technology, another technology is freezing technology. Here, let's say one water bottle, if you will keep, it will take, let's say, 1 hour time to get cool, but here it will get cool within 5 minutes. It is freezing technology. It is, what is that, cooling technology. Like refrigerator is integrated with 2 technologies. Due to that reason, it is providing 2 services to you. Similarly, how .NET is supporting to develop various types of software applications? The answer is .NET is integrated. .NET is integrated with multiple technologies. .NET is integrated with multiple technologies, like it is integrated with multiple technologies. Observe, right? I'm explaining. It is integrated with multiple technologies, like you can see, right? .NET is integrated with multiple technologies. Otherwise, I like it is integrated with multiple technologies. Number one, it is integrated with Windows technology called Windows Forms. It is integrated with the Windows technology called Windows Forms. Using Windows Forms, we can develop Windows. We can develop
Application.
Windows applications. We can develop Windows applications. Means what you can say. Windows Forms is a .NET Windows technology. Using this, we can develop Windows applications. Whenever you want to develop Windows application, you have to use .NET Windows technology called Windows Forms. Number two, it is integrated with the web technology called ASP.NET. .NET is integrated with the web technology called ASP.NET. Using ASP.NET, we can develop web applications. Number three, WCF. .NET is integrated with web service technology called WCF. WCF stands for Windows Communication Foundation. And using WCF stands for WCF stands for
Windows Communication Foundation.
what is WCF? It is a web service technology. Using WCF, we can develop a web service. So like that, .NET is integrated with multiple technologies. Now my question, .NET is integrated with multiple technologies. Among that, number one is what, Uma? Number one,
The window technology called Window Forms.
Windows Forms. What is Windows Forms? It is Windows technology. What we can do by using Windows Forms?
We can develop Windows application.
How to develop Windows application by using .NET platform with the help of
Windows application.
no. How to develop Windows applications with .NET by using
Windows Forms.
Windows Forms. Number two, what is ASP.NET? Uma, what is ASP.NET? ASP.NET
ASP.NET is a web technology.
.NET web technology. What we can do by using ASP.NET?
We can
develop web applications. We can develop web applications. How to develop a web application by using .NET platform? By using
Web technology.
What is that web technology name?
ASP.NET.
ASP.NET. Next, what is WCF stands for what, Uma? WCF stands for
Windows Communication Foundation.
WCF stands for Windows Communication Foundation. What is WCF?
It's a web service technology, and
what we can do by using WCF?
it can develop web service.
We can develop a web service. How to develop a web service by using .NET platform? How to develop a web service by using .NET platform with the help of WCF. Okay, right. Like that, what we can say, .NET platform is integrated. Your .NET platform is integrated with multiple technologies. It is integrated with multiple technologies. In that, one is Windows Forms, two is ASP.NET, and three is WCF, and so on. Like that, it is integrated with multiple technologies. Due to that reason, .NET platform is supporting to develop various types of software applications. It is supporting to develop various types of software applications. Okay, now next, immediately you will get a doubt, sir. Then every time we'll use a word called C#.NET. What is C#.NET? Then you can say C#.NET. 1 minute. These three are .NET technologies. In .NET platform, we have these three technologies. One is Windows Forms. Number two is ASP.NET. Number three is WCF. My question to you all the people, is it required to learn all or any one is enough? Uma,
You're not required to learn all.
why?
I would prefer.
Reason, Sravanti, why we have to learn all?
So,
Sravanti, why we have to learn all?
You can develop all applications.
Because if you know only Windows Forms, tomorrow, if you know only Windows Forms, you can develop only Windows application. Tomorrow client will come to you and will ask, I need a web application, but you know only Windows Forms. But to develop web application, you should know ASP.NET. Due to that reason, you should again learn ASP.NET. Day after tomorrow, another client will ask you develop web service, then you should use WCF. Due to that reason, to have a comfort to develop various types of application, better to learn multiple technologies. Minimum these three is important. Right. Again, I'm telling you, right. .NET technologies are multiple. Is it required to learn all or one is enough?
all.
All. Next, what is C#.NET? Now, C#.NET is a C#.NET is a .NET language. C#.NET is a .NET language. The next question is, what do you mean by .NET language? What do you mean by .NET language? Means what exactly you know? Is every programming language is a .NET language? Can I say C is a .NET language, C++? Then we can say, what do you mean by .NET language? We can't say every programming language is a .NET language. A programming language which is supporting by .NET platform, a programming language which is supporting by .NET platform is called as .NET language. Okay, so we can't say that C is a .NET language because C is not supporting by the .NET platform. So we can say a programming language which is supporting by .NET platform. Supporting by .NET platform means that programming language you can use in that software platform to write program. That programming language is called .NET language, and .NET is the platform. .NET is a platform which is supporting by multiple programming languages. .NET is a platform which is supporting by multiple programming languages. They are C#.NET, VB.NET, C++.NET, C++.NET, VC++.NET, okay, and so on like this. .NET is a platform which is supporting for multiple programming languages. There are 160 plus programming languages is supporting by the .NET platform. All these languages are called as .NET languages. Then immediately we'll get a question, sir, is it required to learn all these languages? You don't require to learn all these languages. You do require to learn any one language. Which language I can learn? The best one is C#.NET. Why? Because 99% of the industry projects are using a popular language called C#.NET, and there is a chance that 1% you may work on other language. Then immediately you will get a doubt. So tomorrow I have a chance that my client will ask me to write program by using VB.NET. Yes, there is a chance of 1%, but you don't require to worry about that, because if you know one .NET language like C#.NET, you can write the program by using VB.NET also. For example, if you know how to drive one company car, you can drive another company car also. Almost all, from one language to another .NET language, you will have slight syntax differences will be there. that you will get comfort within 3 to 4, 5 days of your workplace. So, and we can have one more facility, that is you can go to Google and we can download .NET language converter. .NET language converter. Most of the industry people will use this. And using this language converter, you can write program by using C#.NET, and that program with a single click, the converter will convert into VB.NET. We have all these things. That's the reason nobody will learn multi languages. Maximum people will learn a language called C#.NET. Due to that reason, we are also concentrating a language called C#.NET. Now with this we can say these three are .NET technologies. What are the .NET technologies? Urmil, what are the .NET technologies? Number one,
Forms,
number two,
ASP.NET,
number three,
Windows Communications Foundation.
that is WCF. And what are the .NET languages?
C#.NET, VB.NET,
And so
C++.
on. Now .NET, how many .NET languages you are going to learn?
1.
What is that?
C#.NET.
And how many .NET technologies you are going to learn? Multiple. What is that? Windows Forms and ASP.NET and WCF. Then immediately we'll get it out. What we need exactly to develop an application by using .NET. What we need exactly to develop an application by using .NET? Answer is to develop an application by using .NET platform. We need one technology and one language. To develop an application by using .NET platform, we need one technology and one language. For example, to develop Windows application, we need technology. We need Windows technology.
Windows
Or Windows Phone.
That is Windows Forms. And .NET language,
C#.NET.
that is
C#.
C#.NET. What is the role of language? What is the role of technology? I'll tell you, but up to that you remember. To develop web application, we need to develop web application. We need web technology, that is ASP.NET and .NET language, that is C#.NET. To develop web service, we need web service technology, that is WCF, and language, that is C#.NET. So what is the observation? To develop any type of application common, you need a language called C#.NET, and the technology is concerned technology. Due to that reason, as a .NET developer, first we have to learn C#.NET. So that's why we are going to start after introduction classes. We are starting with C#.NET. Okay, so that is the story. So commonly you have to learn a language called C#.NET. Okay, right. And the next point is in .NET, what is a net? Net stands for network enabled technology. Then immediately network enabled technologies are why dot symbol, because single platform called .NET is supporting for multi languages and multi technologies. Single platform called .NET is supporting for multi languages and multi technologies like C Sharp, multi languages VB, VC, and so on. Multi technologies ASP, ADO,
Plus.
ADO, and so on. So to represent the multi-languages and multi-technologies with a single platform, they have given a notation called dot. C Sharp.NET, VB.NET, VC++.NET, ASP.NET, ADO.NET, like this. In this way, we can understand that what is like why we have to use, why they are using dot. Finally, we can say as part of this .NET training, you should first get comfort in a language called C Sharp.NET, then we will enter into technologies. Okay, so this is about introduction class, and let me ask you a few questions here. Right, uh, what is uh, what is what is the difference between Windows Forms and ASP.NET? Urmil, what is the difference between Windows Forms and ASP.NET?
Windows Forms is a Windows technology and ASP.NET is a web technology.
Okay, another difference. Another difference.
It's a single user
Hmm?
application. That one is multi-user.
Not like that. Using Windows Forms, you can develop a Windows application. Using ASP.NET, you can develop a web application.
Application.
Web application. Now, Shravanti, again repeat the differences. What is the difference between Windows Forms and ASP.NET?
Windows Forms we can develop the Windows
Windows
application.
Forms is a Windows technology. ASP.NET is a
Web technology.
web technology. Using Windows Forms, what we can do?
WCF.
You can develop a Windows application. Using ASP.NET, you can develop a web application. Now, Uma, what is the difference between ASP.NET and WCF?
ASP.NET is a web technology and WCF is a web service technology. ASP.NET can be developed on web application, whereas WCF can be developed on a web service.
Very good. Now, Vinil, what is the difference between ASP.NET and C Sharp.NET?
By using the ASP.NET, we can develop the web application.
But before that, you
ASP.NET
have
is
to tell one important point. ASP.NET is a .NET web technology. C Sharp.NET is a .NET language. Main difference is that it's a technology, it's a language. Using ASP.NET, you can develop a web application, and using C Sharp.NET is whenever you want to develop any application, you need a language called C Sharp.NET. Okay. So final main important point is one is language, another one is technology. What is the role of language? What is the role of technology? We'll slowly understand. Are you clear? Yes. Okay. Now next question. Right. Pandu, I want to develop a Windows application by using .NET platform. What I need? I want to develop a Windows application by using .NET platform. What I need?
one technology and one language.
Yeah, what is that? Windows Forms and
C Sharp.NET.
now Uma, I want to develop a web application. What I need? Uma.
I need one net language, that's C Sharp, and one ASP technology.
.NET. Now next, Vinil, I want to develop a web service. What I need?
We need one technology called Windows Communication Foundation, and one C Sharp is a language which will be used in the .NET.
Short answer, WCF and C Sharp.NET. To develop a web application, ASP.NET and C Sharp.NET. To develop a Windows application, Windows Forms and C Sharp.NET. Okay, so this is about today's introduction class. Similarly, it's a demo. Tomorrow onwards, your regular classes are going to start. tomorrow topic is how .NET came into the industry. That is called history of .NET. Like that, we will have 5 to 6 sessions introduction about .NET, few theory classes. Once in these 5-6 sessions, we will understand about .NET clearly. Then we will start a programming language called C#.NET. And yes, okay. So this is about today's introduction class. Okay. So and as part of this training, already I have shared you materials. All of you received books.
Yes, sir.
C# book,
Yes, sir.
ASP book, and next interview question bank and a lab book. Okay, I think 4 books I shared. 4 or 5?
4.
4. C#, ASP, no 5. ADO I have to share, interview question bank, and I think lab book. 5 books you have to receive. Again I'm mentioning C#.
I didn't get a lab book.
1 minute. ASP, next ADO, .NET book, next 1 minute, interview question bank, and lab book, .NET lab book. I think I've sent to you. No?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, check it, guys. Don't worry. I will be available for you now onwards. Don't worry. Okay? You check it. If any book is not received to you people, just give me a reminder to my email ID. Right. What is this disturbance? Right. Now, whenever you are with the people, just mute yourself. Next, any communication, mute yourself. Better now, if the environment is disturbance, you have friends, neighbors are there, just mute yourself. It will disturb the session, and as well, it's not one person time, multiple people time, as well as the session is recording. The recording session I'm sharing to all the people. Now, any communication to me, now onwards, you be in touch with this mail ID. rnreddititschool@gmail.com, rnreddititschool@gmail.com, rnreddititschool@gmail.com. You have my numbers already. 193-194-9290-290-871 is another number. Okay, so that's it. Right, maximum communication will be through mails. Right, any urgency is there, you can give me a ring. Okay, so generally my convenient time will be in Indian time 1 p.m. Maybe it will be midnight for you, so not possible. Or else my evening 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. is the right time. Okay. Thank you very much. Still, if anybody wants to talk to me, you can wait. Remaining people can leave for today. Tomorrow we'll meet in the same time. Try to log in 5 minutes before. So I'll try my level best to be in the session within time. So if any 5-10 minutes late is there, you should be patient, because I will have other sessions also. Try to understand, and we'll try to organize the session very sharp in time, but be available 5 minutes early. Whenever I am unable to connect also, just you wait. It will show you organizer, waiting for organizer, means I didn't log in. Okay. Thank you very much, and don't give me immediately rings to me, because I'll be other session. No doubt. If any time I'm unable to organize the class, you will receive mail. You will receive a mail that today I'm unable to organize the class due to this reason. Okay, right? Mail communication will be there. Every time you will have the information. Don't worry about that. Thank you very much. And anybody wants to talk to me, please wait. Remaining people can leave for today. And any of your friends are there who want to join also,